Mini fridge, maximum chill. The portable personal fridge keeps your food and drinks at the perfect temperature while at home and on the go. The ultimate versatile cooler. This mini fridge goes from cooling to heating with just the flip of a switch, cools up to 32 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature, and warms up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit at an ambient temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact space-saving design and lightweight features make it easy to take with you anywhere, yet can still fit your needs. 4-liter capacity chills 6 12 ounces cans, while a removable shelf makes it easy to store milk, juice, yogurt, bottles, smoothies, cheese, fruit, coffee, soup, and many more home-cooked meals or beverages. Perfect for personal spaces, bedrooms, offices, hotels, boats, carpools, soccer games, sporting events, backyard BBQ, pool parties, and more. Conveniently plugs into standard home outlets and 12 volts car chargers so you can take them with you anywhere you go. 100% Freon-free and cETL-approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Use this micro fridge to store and cool your lunch, drinks, beer, baby bottles, or even soup. Number 2. 4-liter capacity chills 6 12 ounces soda cans. Interior is 5 by 5 by 7, 5 and includes removable shelf so you can store small items such as yogurt, fruit, milk, bottles, etc. Number 3. Plug into either home outlet or car 12 volts outlet. Both chargers are included in the box. Number 4. Go green. This product was engineered with thermoelectric technology. It uses advanced semiconductors that are free of CFCs and refrigerants, making it better for the environment. Number 5. 1 year hassle-free. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it come with the wall cord and car cord? Answer: yes, it does. Question number 2. Would I be able to keep the temp between 45 and 60 degrees? Answer: the mini fridge can only cool 20 degrees below the temp of the room it is in. There is no refrigerant in this unit and is cooled by semiconductors, so yes and no depends on the room you have it in. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.